Hello children, how are you? Hope you are doing well. Today we are going to learn domestic animals. These animals are dependent on humans for the food and shelter. Let's see some of them. This is dog. Dog. Which animal is this? This is cat. Cat. This is camel. Camel. This is rabbit. Rabbit loves to eat carrot. Rooster. This is rooster. Buffalo. This is buffalo. Goat. This is goat. Cow. This is cow. Cow gives us milk. Sheep. Sheep gives us wool. Horse. Horse lives in stable. This is donkey. Donkey. This is chicken. Chicken. This is parrot. Parrot. Thanks for watching the video. Like, share and subscribe if you like it.